This oven has not been cleaned for about 2 years, y'all. Look at that. This is so gross. And it definitely needs some TLC. Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to clean an extremely dirty oven. Do stick around till the end. I'll show you how you can make your oven sparkling and shiny after you wipe away all the product. The transformation is going to amaze you. I tried using different products to clean this oven, including the famous baking soda method, but it did not work for me, and for that reason I had to use this commercial grade product called Easy Out Film Free Oven Cleaner. It does the job faster and with less elbow grease, which is what I really need in this situation. This product is also safe on self-cleaning ovens and oven glass doors. It does claim to be film-free, but for your information, it does have a strong smell and minimal fumes. So because of that, you will need to make sure your workspace is well ventilated. I open my window and door here. Here are the other products you need for this job. A good strong paper towel. I like using Bounty or the Sam's Club Members Mark brand. You also need a non-scratch sponge or SOS fine steel wool pads. Pumice stone to tackle any stubborn areas. I will show you how later on in the video. For your safety, I recommend you put on a mask and safety glasses, because if this product get on your skin or eyes, it will cause some irritation. If you have the same situation as mine, it's gonna get messy, so put newspapers or a big cloth or towel to cover the floors around your work area. Before applying the product, also remove any debris. You can use a scraper for any stuck on dirt like I'm doing here. I also like using the vacuum to thoroughly remove all this junk. Shake the product well before application and point this arrow here towards this dot, like so. That way you won't make a mistake of spraying it on yourself. Please note, do not apply the product on the gasket, this one right here, or on the oven light and heating elements. To protect your heating elements, cover them with foil paper like I did on mine here. Just a fact about this product, do not puncture the can or transfer the product to another container. What normally happens is if you apply this product face down like this, at some point it's gonna stop coming out and you'll be left with half product in the container. So what you want to do is to apply at an angle of 45 degrees as shown on the container here. That way you make sure you use all the product. Grab your gloves and let's do the cleaning. Now apply the product very generously. The product is flammable, so don't apply it when the oven is still hot or warm. Wait till it's cold. Let the product dwell for at least 2 hours or overnight if your in-laws are not on the way to your house. Or your mom. The whole point of allowing the product to dwell for 2 hours or overnight is for the product to do the work for you, so you won't need to use too much strength or elbow grease when you're cleaning. So this is how it looks like after 2 hours. Wipe the product with paper towel first and then scrub with your sponge. I'm using SOS fine steel wool pads. They do the job easy and quicker. Okay y'all, look how the dirt is wiping away just like that. If you have a problem with ring marks on your stovetop, check out this video here on how to tackle the problem. Here I'm just using an old gift card to remove any stuck on dirt. You can use a scraper too. If you have stubborn stains that didn't go away, this is what you want to do. Wet a pumice stone like this one here and scrub the area like so. It's not gonna scratch your oven for as long as it's wet. Now all you need to do is wipe again with a towel like you're mopping the floors. That way you will thoroughly remove all the product residue. Remember to rinse off the cloth frequently. Be on the lookout for the oven racks cleaning video coming up next. I have not forgotten about the racks, y'all. I got you. Spray this glass cleaner inside the oven. This is the trick I promised to show you guys earlier about making your oven sparkling and shiny by removing any white product residue. Look how clean the oven is, guys. Day and night difference. It's back to normal. My oven is back, y'all. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful to you. Like, share, subscribe for more cleaning tips or hacks. This will help the channel to be found by others as well. Thank you for your support. See you on the next one. Bye.